Today we are winding up. Winding up means that last lecture regarding Numpy. Then in the future we will, if anybody asks and comment in the comment box section, then we will discuss. Otherwise, we will move forward and let's see the next video. So here in the Numpy, we will first yeah, let's see that code is still intact or not. Okay, code by is still intact. So let's create a variable name is x is equal to np dot array. Now we will open bracket, round bracket, now square bracket, then square bracket 1 comma 2. Then you will definitely close the bracket, and after that we will put comma, open 3 4. Then again we will first I will write code and then I will explain you that what is happening. Okay. Okay. So this is in this way we have to create y is equal to np dot array. So we will create comma this one and another one. Let's suppose 3 comma 6. Let's suppose 4 comma 7 and lastly 6 comma 9. So this will create we will create if we want to print x plus 5, print x plus 5. So save it and see that what is happening, whether it is working or not. So let's see. Okay, this is 4. Okay, something is happening. I think it's working. How this will come? 4. So this is 1, 3 is equal to 4. So that's a 2 and 6, 8. So in this way we will jump in second. So it will jump in the second bracket. So 3, 4, 7 and 4, 7. Yeah, okay. It's mean it is adding. Let's see whether it is subtracting or not. Okay, save it and run it and try. Okay, I think okay, it is subtracting. Good. Let's see about multiplication. Okay, that's it. Let's see. Okay, I think even the 3, 6, 2 the 12. Okay, it's working. So now you can add two arrays in this way. Maybe you can add more and do some your creativity show and share in the comment box that what more you can. So there is another way. Let's suppose you try print np dot. Okay, so add x comma y. Okay, let's see, save it and try to run it. See whether okay, this one is working. So you can write this way also. So I think you don't need to np dot add. Okay, and x comma y. So this is, I think that you can understand that what is happening. So let's play with another concept. Okay, uh, let's suppose we will create or edit it. Okay, this x is created. Now we will create v is equal to np dot array. So let's suppose we will open it and write it 1 comma 0 and okay, okay, let's mm, so okay, let's try this. So here uh, v is equal to x plus C. So let's try print B. Okay, something happening. Okay, save it and try to run it and see what is happening. So what is happening here? You can see that one is okay. Let's suppose we will do two. Save it and run it. Then clear. So we are adding x plus c. What is x? So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So here is 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Here is 1, 3. So that is 4. So this v is added by each element in the x variable. So that's the result. I hope you are with me and enjoying. So that's all for from the Numpy series from myself. If you have any queries, questions, ideas, and any other thing you can print, you can write in the comment box and you can ask. So please take care of your loved ones, and until the next video. Thank you for watching.